Hello everybody, today let me show you the drawing wax printer. This one, it is our ultrasonic cleaner, and this one is curling box. This is the printer, and this one, it is the oxygen machine. Okay, let's check the power supply. First, when you receive the machine, you need to connect this one into this. Okay, press it. Okay, this one. Input this. This is the printer. And this one is for the curling box. Okay, this is the switch of the machine. And open it. Okay, for the oxygen machine, we need to adjust this one. Now let me show you this data. When you open these two data, you don't need to change. This one it is for the input the file. This data we input before. This is the USB. You could insert the USB, then your file, press it, find your file. Also, look at this one, this interface. You can connect your computer. It means if connect the computer, you don't need insert the USB. You can connect your computer, send the file into the machine directly. Also, you can see some data and the operation stating. Okay. And this one, this is the material data. We have input it. This is for our material. If you change another material, this value, curve time, and this value need to change. Now we have input it. It is our resume data. Okay. Now we input the material. You can check when you pull in the resume material, you can see just touch this surface. It is okay. No need too much. They will overflow just this surface. Okay, after putting the material, let us input the file. This file we input before, so choose one. Okay, just press start print. Now it is finished. We need to lose this part, take it out. Then use this tool to cut off. Yeah. In this chamber, it is the air core. You need to set it about 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, we take it out. About this alcohol, you could use 2 to 3 times. After you need to wait these products, there is no water drops. Then put this into the hot water. The temperature need to above 16 grains. Okay, now we put in the curving box. Now we have finished the kitchen. Put it out. Okay, if you want to do quickly, you can use the hair dryer to dry the product.
就这样吹干就可以。
Okay, after printing, let me clean the mold. First, loose the screw. Okay, take out this. We need to pour the material. This is the filter because when printing maybe there is some small parts in it, so we need to use a filter to fill the material. And this material you can use it next time. Okay, after pulling, you need to use the tissue to clean this through. Okay, after put the material in this cap, if you need to print again, pour this material into our printer. If you don't need to print, just put the material in our bottle. It is recycled. After finish our printing, we need to take off our machine. First place it, then close the oxygen machine. Okay, that's all.